Hi guys, I would like to talk about this coaching enrollment I have going on right now, which you can find through the link in the description. So if you want to enroll into some coaching, I will show you just a few example moves from what we will be practicing, but it will be a lot of yoga, I think. What kind of exercises we will be doing, and it will be, of course, we will be doing it for 30, 60 days, 90 days, something like that, just how long it takes. I would say it's a 90-day program. So let's stick with that. So it will be focusing on yoga, business success, and also optimizing our health, and feeling really kinda also excited about our, cause in like Eastern mysticism they kinda talk about like they talk about this, that what's the like highest you can be, and that really is the point of this coaching program, is being the highest that you possibly can be. So yeah, find it through the link in the description, and I hope to see you on the other side then.